Okay, so as we said, we have 4 questions. 2 groups are in a tie, and you have to go through the count. These 4 questions will decide who's the winners and who are the runners. Right?
Yes.
Okay. What's the full form of PMI? Is it correct? Who is the current federal chairman? No Google. All of you look at me.
Anybody knows who is the previous federal chairman?
Yeah.
Anybody previous federal chairman? Yes, correct on. We can give to.
Okay. When is the next RBI monetary policy date? Okay.
It's a two-day meeting, January 28 and 29.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Can I check?
Yes.
Okay, the first question. Which financial statement shows the financial position of a company at a specific point in time? You have 4 options. Next question. What financial term describes the increase in the value of an asset over time? I mean, there isn't. Is it that you people are able to see it faster than? Yes. That's why I'm reading it out. Yeah. You raise your hands. Please go ahead. No, they raised it first.
Appreciation, explanation.
Yeah. Move on to the next question. Which activity is considered illegal in financial markets involving trading based on non-public information? Yeah.
Insider trading.
Yeah. Correct answer. Next question. What term refers to the use of legitimate business operations to discuss the illicit origins of money?
Money law.
Very good. Correct answer. You're group 3, right?
Yeah.
Next one. What processes involves both parties agreeing on the details of a trade before settlement? She again.
Trade affirmation.
Correct answer.
We finish the trade settlement?
Trade affirmation.
Oh.
Yeah.
The next question. What processes ensures that the records of trades and transactions match between different parties? She again. Go ahead.
Reconciliation. It matches the trades of different companies.
Correct answer. Okay, the next question. What type of options contract gives the holder the right to buy an underlying asset at a specific price before a certain date?
Call option.
Yeah, correct answer. Okay, the next question. Which accounting standard is used by companies in the European Union for financial reporting? She again.
IFRS accounting standard.
Perfect, right answer. Okay, group 4, no answers from you. Okay, the next question. Which investment analysis method discounts future cash flows to their present value to determine their worth today?
Discount.
Discounted cash.
Yes, perfect answer. What financial metric measures a company's efficiency in generating profit from its shareholders' equity? Last one. No, the last one. Sorry, I can't hear.
Return on equity.
Okay, yes, perfect, correct answer.
What financial analysis method evaluates the impact of various assumptions on financial outcomes?
Sensitivity analysis.
Scenario analysis, regression analysis.
Sensitivity analysis.
Sensitive.
Yeah, he raised his hand.
Where are new securities issued and sold for the first time?
Primary market.
I mean,
We
somebody
raise-
who has to raise and then tell not everybody has.
Primary market.
Okay. What financial method evaluates investments by comparing the present value of expected cash flows to the initial investment?
She. Group 3.
NPV. Net present value.
Yes, that's it. Which inventory costing method assumes that the most recently purchased or produced goods are sold first?
Ma'am,
Okay, no, five.
ma'am, first in, first out. FIFO. No. Last sorry, first out. FIFO.
Which accounting principle states that assets and liabilities should be recorded at their original acquisition cost?
Ma'am, historical cost. Ma'am, historical cost. Historical cost. Correct. Even I raised it, ma'am. No one,
She said, but she already told the answer.
but we can't.
You'll have 4 more grace questions by your, yes, the favorite sir. And you know him, right? It will be very tough. Okay, so as we said, we have 4 questions. 2 groups are in a tie. Now, so these 4 questions will decide who winners and who are winners, right? Okay. What's the full form of PMI? Go ahead.
Purchasing management.
Who is the current federal general Modi? All of you look at me.
Anybody knows who is the previous federal gentleman? Yeah? नहीं Anybody previous Fed chairman? Yes, correct. We can give
Okay. When is the next RBI monetary policy date? Okay. You're not raising your hands because I saw you raising. Okay, go ahead.
It's a two-day meeting, January 28 and 20.
The last question. Number of countries sharing euro currency. Number of countries sharing euro currency.
Any other country share euro? Germany, France, Austria, Portugal, right?
Spain.
Spain,
Greece.
Italy. Tell me the number.
7.
Wrong answer.
27.
Wrong answer.
27.
They are not having common currency. Like UK, it was in European Union, but if you take Switzerland, they have own currency. They are not in European Union. They are not in European currency. They are using in the European Union, not having currency. You got the reference? European Union has a trade rules. X country exports to Y, no tariffs. X fellow with a visa can go to Y country without passport, without visa. This is the European Union. Okay, example, Denmark, every country, especially in Europe, Western Europe. But when it comes to countries using the currency, there are 17 countries using the same currency for these countries. For example, Germany, France, Italy, Portugal, Spain. Now, which are the countries in European Union not using euro? Switzerland, Denmark, what is that? Norway, and other one Finland. So they have their own currency, but in European Union. Got it?